mo yung pinakamasakit na tagpo? Yung nag-aantay ka sa miracle mo, tapos nakikita mo yung miracle nangyayari sa iba. What will you do if you are waiting for your miracle and seeing the miracle happening in somebody else? The first test of faith, delay. Delay. Kasi ang faith, potent, active, powerful, unless may delay. Kasi matetesting talaga kung totoo yung pananampalataya mo pag dumanas ka ng delay. Kung saan ikaw may sense of urgency and emergency, pero hindi kaya mga kapatid, minsan dumaranas ka talaga ng delay. Kasi God is preparing you for the very thing that He has already prepared for you. So what will you do if everyone else is getting their blessing and you don't? What will you do if Jesus is somehow paying attention to somebody else but you? Could it be na kaya wala pa yung sayo kasi piniprepare ka ng ating Panginoon? Ang tagal mo nang hinihingi, Lord, bigyan mo ko ng pasensya. Wala pa rin. Mainit pa rin ang ulo mo. Bisa may narinig ako, Lord, bigyan mo ko ng pasensya, pakibilisan ko. Lord, pingin pasensya, pakibilisan. Ha? Gusto mong pasensya, di tatagalan ko pa. Test natin yan. Is it possible na yung hinihingi mo, piniprepare ka ng Panginoon para to? What will you do if somebody else is getting their victory and you're still waiting for your victory? Kasi alam niyo mga kapatid, ang tunay na test ng faith, hindi waiting. The true test of faith is not waiting. It's the attitude while you wait. Na habang nag-aantay ka, can you celebrate their victory while waiting for your victory? Could it be mga kapatid na minsan may dinedevelop lang Panginoon sa atin na mas maging tiwala lang tayo? Kasi imagine niyo to, no? Kailangan mo lang talaga magtiwala sa Lord. Kasi kung pinagpala ng Diyos yung kapitbahay mo, ibig sabihin, nasa neighborhood lang si Lord. So when God bless your neighbor, it means God is in your neighborhood. So wala naman sigurong say-say, di ba? Mainggit-inggit ka pa sa mga pagpapala ng kapitbahay mo. Oh, Lord, pinagpala mo kapitbahay ko, ibig sabihin malapit ka lang. Pero mo katabi mo na yung pinagpala, sulit ka na siguro. Right? But delay, always remember this, delay is not denial. Hindi porke na delay, sinara na ng Diyos ang pintuan. You just have to trust God, mga kapatid. Kasi sabi ng Isaiah 40, those who wait, amen, upon the Lord shall renew their strength. He is developing something in your life. So do you have the kind of attitude that says, Lord, I know wala pa yung sa akin, but while I'm waiting, I will trust you. Buti pa sa Chicken Joy, willing to wait ka. Pero minsan sa pangako ng Diyos, ang tagal natin. Just because it doesn't happen in our time frame means God is not doing something. May ginagawa ang Panginoon. Hindi siya laging on time sa time frame natin. Hindi siya laging on time, pero hindi ibig sabihin that the miracle is not in motion. Sometimes God is just preparing you for the very thing that He has prepared for you.